Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do factorization by s. Next, we need to multiply by number 4 on numerator and denominator. So in this one, we can put like this. So we have the formula in here. So when s approaches to number 0, this one equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have negative number 4 over 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.